Hi guys, subscribe to my channel to never ever miss out any of the learning videos about stock market.
Okay, so guys, in this video, we'll be talking about how much money is required to start intraday trading and to make profits. Okay, and also I'll be telling you how to grow your account and make consistent profit in intraday trading. Okay, and also I'll be sharing you some of the examples and plan for intraday trading. Okay, so watch the video till the end to get all the information regarding this. Okay, and also if you're new to my channel, a subscribe to my channel would be amazing. And also if you're new to stock market trading and want to learn how to make money consistently in trading and want to stop your losses, you can join my course today. You can message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you guys can make consistent profit from today in intraday trading. Okay, so guys, now let's talk about how much money is exactly required to start intraday trading. Okay, and I'll be sharing you a lot of tips and tricks in this video. If you're a beginner, it will be very useful for you, so watch the video till the end without missing any minute in the video. Okay, so guys, now let's talk about what are the types of markets and trading. Okay, so firstly we'll talk about what are the types of markets are there to trade. Okay, so guys, there are a lot of markets which you need to understand. Okay, for example, NSE, that is National Stock Exchange, BSE, that is Bombay Stock Exchange, and MCX, that is for commodity, and Forex for currency trading. Okay, so these are the markets which you can trade on, and if you come inside this, there are some trading types what you need to understand, that is intraday trading and also long-term trading, which we call it as positional or a swing trading or anything like that. Okay, but in this video we'll be particularly talking about equity stocks. And now when you come inside NSE, there are a lot of other varieties which you need to understand, that is stocks, that is equity, and future and option. There's a lot of other things when it comes. Okay, but now in this video we will be talking about intraday trading in equity stocks to make profit. Okay, so why intraday trade in equity only? Okay, so I'll be explaining you this now. Got it? So let's say you have to do positional trading or long-term trading. Okay, now let's say a stock price is 100 rupees. Okay, and the money required to buy will be 100 rupees itself. Got it? So for one stock. Okay, so if you want to trade on 100 rupees stock, and if you want to buy one stock, the money required will be 100 rupees. This is for positional trading. Now let me tell you an example for intraday trading what happens. Okay, so let's say the stock price is 100 now and the money required to buy is only 10 rupees. Okay, for one stock. Why only 10 rupees is required for doing intraday trading? Because in intraday trading you get something called as margin. Okay, so margin is an extra leverage what you get in intraday trading, that you get more money in your account. Okay, and this margin also has a risk, so you should keep it in your mind. So this margin will also be having risk. So why I explained you all these terms is like what are the types of market, what are the varieties in that market, because all markets need different amount to trade, like different kind of investment and different kind of money to start your trading. But why I am particularly telling you why to trade in intraday, okay, that to intraday trade in equity, because this is the one which you can start with the minimum capital, and this is good for beginners also. If you are a beginner and if you are starting to learn, you start with equity first. That too, if you are starting with the intraday trading, you should learn with the equity first, because that is easy to understand, and once you understand equity you will understand all the other things also. Okay, so trade in futures also you need different capital, that is huge money, and also to trade in option or to trade in commodity or to trade other markets you need a different kind of capital, you need a different kind of margin for that. Okay, so But to start in equity trading, that too in intraday trading, you can start with any amount, with any minimum amount you can start. So for this, now let me show you some examples so that you will understand the concept. Okay, so guys, as I said, you will be getting margins in intraday trading. Okay, so this margin will help you to buy more stocks in intraday trading, as you guys have understood now. So let's say your whatever broker you're using, they give you almost 10 times margin now due to the new rules, because earlier we used to get more margin. So now we are getting almost up to 10 times margin. So whatever capital you have will become into 10 times. Got it? So let's say, for example, you're having 20,000 rupees and it becomes into 10 and it becomes like 2 lakh rupees for intraday trading. Okay, this happens only for intraday trading, and this margin what you get is the advantage in intraday trading. And also keep in mind this as a risk, so you should be very careful when you're trading with the margins. Got it? So whatever capital you have, it becomes into 10. So this margin list, you can check it in your brokerage website. So for example, if you're using Zerodha, just type it as Zerodha equity margin, so you will be able to find all the margin list and everything. Okay, so this is about the margin concept in intraday trading. Okay, with any minimum amount you can start. So now let me show you some more example and a plan so that you will understand. So example for intraday trading in stocks. Okay, so let me show you one example. So whatever capital you have, capital into margin divided by the stock price. So if you do this calculation, you will get the answer, that is how much stocks you can trade. So let's say 20,000 is your capital and margin is 10 times what you're getting, and let's say you're trading on 200 rupees stock price. Okay, so you're just trading on a 200 rupees stock price. Okay, just an example, and your investment is 20,000 rupees and you used the margin and you got 1,000 stocks. So now you bought 1,000 stocks, and if it goes to 2 not to 1, okay, let's say you bought a 200 and if the stocks goes to 201, then you will make 1,000 rupees profit. Got it? So this is the profit what you're making on your investment of 20,000 rupees. So you're having 20,000 rupees and you just hit only 0.5% of the stock. Okay, so 0.5% of the stock what you have achieved, not more than that. So by hitting that 0.5% of the stock, you made 1,000 rupees as your profit. Okay, so with 20,000 rupees, if you do this in intraday trading, you get this much amount of the profit. Got it? And what you get in profit will also go for brokerage, so you need to understand that also. Got it? So now let me show you the other things, that is how much money is exactly required to start. Okay, so guys, now let me talk about this, like how much money is exactly required to start your intraday trading. So firstly, it depends on what kind of trade you're doing, as I said you. So if you're a beginner, so start with equity first and start with a less capital. Okay, so if you're a beginner and starting with less capital, and practice is very important, and first you have to learn. Okay, so with a minimum investment of like 5,000, 10,000 also you can start and practice. Okay, that's only possible in equity. Okay, intraday equity is possible if you're starting with 5,000 and 10,000. If you want to trade in futures and all, it is not possible. And also many people are thinking like they need lakhs of amount to invest or huge amount to invest to start trading. No, it's not like that. Even with 10,000 rupees also you can start, and as I showed you in the previous example, even with the 20,000 rupees you can make up to 1,000 or 2,000 per day, as I shown you as a simple example. Okay, so if you are a beginner, start with a very less capital, start it as a practice capital. Like even you can start with 1,000 rupees, practice it, first learn, and then you can increase your capital once you get your confidence. Okay, so once you increase your capital, then you can make more profit. And don't think like you'll start trading today and you'll make profit from today itself. In a trading, there's a lot of things to learn, and sometimes the losses will also happen. You need to learn first, practice first, and then make consistent profit. So these things are very important. And also if you're a beginner And if you want to learn how to make consistent profit in intraday trading and want to learn 90 to 95% accurate strategies, how to pick the stocks and lot of other things, you can join my course. You can message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you guys can make consistent profit in intraday trading. And watch the video till the end, you will get all the information regarding that. Now let's talk about some of the useful tips which is needed for doing the trade. Okay, so following the discipline in intraday trading is very important. Okay, you should follow a strict stop loss and strict target. Okay, and you should have a very good trading strategy to make consistent profit, or else you will lose the capital. Got it? So if you want to learn 90 to 95% accurate strategies, you can join my course now. You can message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me, so that I'll be guiding you about all things in detail. And also, you should not do over trading. If you do over trading, the brokerage what it goes is also more. Okay, and you should have no grid. Don't do more trades. Okay, so no grid, do only 1 or 2 trades per day. Book how much of a profit you can make, like 1000 rupees, or if you're starting with 1000 rupees capital, if you make 50 to 100 rupees profit, that's a very good profit. Okay, practice like that, learn like that, and then you can start big. And also there will be losses. Yes, so if you do 10 trades and if you're losing 2 to 3 trades in that, it's okay. Okay, so there will be losses. You should understand that in trading there will be losses also. Okay, and now let's talk about how to grow your account. Okay, so how to grow your trading account. So guys, now as I given you in the previous example, if you're starting with 20,000 rupees and if you're making 1 to 2,000 rupees per day, so yes, that's a good profit, right? But now if you want to grow your account, let's say you don't have to invest more again on that, so you're learning with 20,000 rupees, and if you want to grow your account, what you can do is you can start compounding the capital. So whatever the profit you make every single day, you can start adding that to the capital, not withdrawing the profit. So if you're making 1000 per day with the 20,000 rupees capital, just an example, so you can make in the 10 days you will make 10,000 rupees. Okay, just assuming as an example. So then if you add 10,000 to 20,000, so your capital will become 30,000. Got it? So with this 30,000, let's say you are able to make 2,000 per day. Okay, so if you're able to make 2,000 per day, then you can get more quantities and do more profit by compounding the capital. Or let's say you don't have to compound, or if you want to withdraw the profit daily, you can do that also. So this is a way how to grow your trading account by compounding. Okay, so even if the losses happens, you will be having a extra capital to manage if you're using compounding method in intraday trading. Okay, so guys, these are the little tricks and tips, and this is actually what the capital required to make consistent profits. A lot of people ask, like, what is the minimum amount to start trading? Yes, if you come into a trading, there's a lot of varieties and a lot of markets, so it depends on what exactly you want to trade. So if you want to trade in equity in intraday trading, I have given you a lot of ideas in this video. Okay, I've shown you with a lot of examples also. I hope this video has given you a light of how much money you need to start trading with. Okay, so if you're trading with equity, you can start with any minimum amount. Okay, so if you're a beginner, start with a minimum amount, practice it, learn it, and then increase your capital. And as I said, if you want to learn how to make consistent profit, you can join us now.
So guys, I do provide NSE and MCX trading course. The course prices are very less and reasonably priced. You can check all of the details in my blogspot, that is tradingzero.blogspot.in. The link is in the description below of this video. So many of the people has got into my trading program and now they are making money consistently, and people who had losses are now starting to recover their losses. You can watch all of these things with the earning proof here with the ledgers. And if you guys are interested and motivated to make consistent profit like this, you can join us today. So once you join us, you will be getting lifetime support and live market guidance also. I'll be teaching you guys personally how you can make consistent profit in intraday trading, and also if you're new to stock market trading, I'll be guiding you from the basics to make you earn consistent profit. Okay, so you can go through all of these feedback messages and earning proof. So if you guys wish to stop your losses from today and want to start making consistent profit like this, you can message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you guys can make consistent profit from today. And also these are the advantages and benefits what you get once you join us. So once you join us, you'll be able to earn consistently in trading. I'll be teaching you 95% accuracy, unique and secret strategies with no indicators, and also I'll be teaching you how to pick the stocks every day and a very good timing and discipline what is needed. Just by spending only 15 to 30 minutes per day, you can make 10% profit on your capital. That is, you can earn 1000 rupees per day with the investment of just 10,000 only. And also I'll be guiding you with a very good money management system and a risk-free trading system. And also, as you guys know, my course prices are very less and reasonably priced. And also you guys can go inside my channel and watch all the other videos. There are a lot of educational videos, strategies, tricks, tips and a lot of things in my channel. So watch all of these things and subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed. And also every day I upload like how much profit we made on what stock we traded with the profit proof every single day. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this and want to stop your losses from today, you can join us now. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next one very soon.